Hello dear students. So in this session discuss let us discuss a new topic in our continuum mechanics. Before that, till previous session we were discussing the concept of divergence, gradient, curl, their properties, then scalar, vector, then we slowly move to tensor, right? So scalar is nothing but it is also a tensor field with zero rank, or you can say that rank is 0. Vector is also referred to as tensor field with rank 1. This is how we were connecting our tensor with scalar as well as vector, right? So now in this session let us discuss the one of the important topic in your continuum mechanics which we will be using throughout the syllabus. Okay, that is nothing but range and summation conventions. Okay, these two are the conventions which refers to as Einstein's conventions. Okay, so in order to explain Einstein's conventions, I will consider a set of system of equation, say a11x1 plus a12x2 plus a13x3 is equal to 0, a21x1 plus a22x2 plus a23x3 is equal to 0, and a31x1 plus a32x2 plus a33x3 is equal to 0. This is my system of equation I have considered in order to explain the Einstein's convention. Okay, I will call this as equation number 1. So if this is some equation A, you can write your equation A in terms of summation, right? So summation I is equal to 1 to 3. Because I have 3 terms, you can observe here suffix 1, 2, 3. I can write this as summation I is equal to 1 to 3 a1 I xi, right? I cannot give any suffix value here because here the value suffix is constant, that is I. You can write that as summation I is equal to 1 to 3 a j I xi for j is equal to 1. You may write in this form, right? That means when j is equal to 1, I takes 3 values, that is summing values, that you will express as a11x1 plus a12x2 plus a13x3. This is nothing but your equation number 1. Equation number A. So similarly, when j is equal to 2, you can write summation I is equal to 1 to 3 a j I xi. This is valid when j is equal to 3. So you will get system of equations. A is this. When j is equal to 2, you will get B. When j is equal to 3, you will get C. So now I will rewrite this in the form of, that is, I will write this system of equation number 1 in the form of ai1 x1 plus ai2 x2 plus ai3 x3 is equal to 0 when I is equal to 1, 2, 3. So if you give I is equal to 1, you will get this equation. When I is equal to 2, you will get this. When I is equal to 3, you will get this, right? This is nothing but your range convention. That means we are giving values to I that is ranging from 1 to 3. So if I rewrite this equation as summation k is equal to 1 to 3, aik xk is equal to 0, you can observe I have two k's here and I is free, right? Since I'm using summation here, this refers to summation convention.